abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
Welcome guys to Enkundleni exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events, City Tina for all types of events, be it a family event, a corporate event, social event, a church event. Lama rally guys, if you need our services, get in touch with Deb3 Events using the contacts akhona lapho ku screen. Silama PA system, sile stage, silama LED screens, photography, videography, you name it. Deb3 ilakho ukuthi ikuphathiseke in terms of events planning and management. My name is Nondudu Ncube and welcome once again to one of the exciting episodes. Today it's an exciting episode ngoba I have a very special guest, a very, very special guest. I find her quite interesting. You'll find out why she's an interesting person. Yimi. This episode is powered by Okuhle Designs for all your graphic design services. Ama flyer, t-shirts, printing, branding, sikhuluma ke ngama billboards and all that kind of stuff. Get in touch with Okuhle Designs. Usebenzisa ama contacts akhona lapho ku screen. So guys, namhla ngilo Sonkomose. Is that how you pronounce it? Sonkomose.
All right, for Usonkomose, sengavumela abantu ukuthi be pronounce it anyhow.
Oh really?
Yes, because ngabonto ungangichayisa ngekhanda.
So I'm forgiven.
Yes.
Guys, she's a poet, she's a dancer, and she's also an actress. Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive.
Thank you for welcoming me, Mancube.
Yabonga lami. You know Mancube, it makes me feel ngani nina les tunes. It's rare for people to say Mancube. It's usually Nondudu all the time.
Okay.
But Oshab
Ngishap kakhulu. Inkinga ukuthi mina ngimbonye. Mangisizwe isibongo vele ngihle ngicabange sona kwapha vele sokusithi ngihle ukuthi Mancube uMazilankatha.
serious.
Onkatha kayingene ekhaya.
Akuyikhaya. Umotivate. Akunike just a minute.
Kodwa uMazilankatha.
Yeah.
All right. uMancube uMazilankatha unkatha kayingene ekhaya yangena kubo lezi inkaba zabantwana line lilamabele amatela munyisa umntwana ngangale komfula aya kuvuma ukubana ngithule phela lintombi mayingena kuvele kukhanya kwesibane abantu bemamotheke benandelwa ngathi banamba ithuluju.
Bavucha umpululu but ngibona ukuthi kuzagcina abantu bengasezi ukuthi uthini kahle. So okay, I was actually wondering which one is your favorite? Poet, dancer, actress?
Poetry.
Poet. Why?
Yes, because I think strength is sikhona lapho.
Sikhona lapho.
Yeah.
So I take it poetry yiyo waqala ngayo vele.
Yes. Yiyo engaqala ngayo and then ngase ngijoin iqembu 2015 othiwa yiSunduza Dance Theatre. Yikho lapha enganecha khona ipoetry yami to greater heights and then ngase ngiqala ukuyifuse le music and dance.
And then poetry, dancing. How
yes.
Kwangenelana nje singabuyi ku actress ku acting la poetry and dancing. I think those are two totally different.
Yeah, they are different, but at the end of the day, dance is movement.
Okay.
And so if someone can dance to words, then uyahlangana. Poetry has a rhythm. So it's movement to rhythm.
Oh, wow. Wow, and poetry iqalisa nini? Maybe just tell us in brief and imbali ukuthi ipoetry kahle kusukele ngapi, how and when did it start?
All right. Ngokukhumbula kwami ngizathi ngaqala ngingu grade 5.
Grade 5?
Yes. My first gig ngiqhatshwa emshadweni to perform poetry ngingu grade 5. It was a wedding.
It was a paid gig?
Yes.
Wow.
It was a wedding in Montgomery Gardens. Yes. Yikho lapho engaqala khona. Then ngakuthatha kancane until I was in high school. Then I used to do poetry kuma drama performances. And then ngabona nje ukuthi poetry iyangichaza. I remember I also used poetry to contest for junior parliament. And I was elected as the junior councillor nge-poem, not nge-speech.
Wow, okay.
Then ngakuthatha serious after writing my O-level. Ngaba le qembu lami engangisenza lalo. But then, yeah, you know, izinto maziqalisa i-management ingana ikacacacaci. Yama when I went to A-level. Then after A-level, that's when I joined Isunduza.
Okay. Wow. Grade 5. That's interesting. So like since you're saying you got your first gig, Kona Lapan, I take it means your family was also supportive, isn't it?
Yes, they were.
Wow, that's nice.
Kakhulu.
Because we find a lot of artists or people who want to get into art experiences some kind of resistance from the parents and stuff, especially nxa besasebatsha besakhula laphana, obviously usesengaphansi komthetho wabazali and stuff like that. You find most of the time we've seen a lot of parents discouraging their children ukuthi don't do this kuza kwenza ukuthi ungabala amabhuku and stuff. So in your case I think it was a ngathi
It was a different case. Yeah.
Okay, so now joining the dance group, because already you knew ukuthi when you are a poet, you knew ukuthi you are talented, since like ukhulumile ukuthi strength sakho is poetry.
Yes.
So okwayenza ukuthi decide ukuthi no, let me join a dance group win.
All right, so ngavuka kwenye day I was like, ukuba ngulova so. Mana ngike ngibhodabhode ngefika ema-youth center and just find out ukuthi kwenzakalani. And then ngathi ngifika e-open space ePhumla Old, ngathola Isunduza i-rehearsa. They were doing a production of Twang Voices from the Rocks, a theater production. And I just fell in love with that because I had a background, drama and acting from a school.
Okay.
Then I was intrigued to join iqembu leSunduza.
Wow. Yes. And how has been the journey with Sunduza?
Hey, ifuna isibindi esilethambo. Ifuna isibindi esilethambo. Okay, mana ngithi i-art in general ifuna isibindi esilethambo because kumele kube yinto ithandayo. And then the rest will follow. But overall, it has been a good journey. I've learned izinto eziningi from Isunduza. I had no idea about traditional dances. I had no idea ukuthi ngiyakwanisa ukuhlabela. I always thought ukuthi ngiyabhimba and stuff. But khathesi, I'm surprised ukuthi nxa ngichecka ama-performances eSunduza, I'll say, okay, imadengilida laphana, imadengilida laphana, yabona.
That's nice.
And now I know ukuthi I think I'm a full package. Sengangena studio and record my poem, ngizifakele chorus and dance to it.
Wow.
Yabo, with the help of Isunduza, that's when I got to learn about choreography, dance, everything that you need to create into ebambekayo.
Okay. So guys, uthiwa kufuneka isibindi esilethambo. Isibindi esilethambo. I think especially if you're a woman, isn't it?
Yeah, true.
Because I'm also a woman and I'm also in the arts sector. So kulezi izinto engabe ngizibona ukuthi no man, if I were a guy this wasn't going to happen. So yeah, now tell me when in particular now sithi isibindi esilethambo in the perspective of a woman, what are you talking about? Uthi, I'm sure ukuthi kulama issues that you are referring to or ama challenges that you are referring to, which are those?
Okokuqala, on isibindi esilethambo, I think you just need discipline as a woman. You need to be persistent because the competition is stiff. Ngizakhulumela ku poetry kakhulu. On ukuba imbongi, vele okokuqala imbongi ngamadoda. Abaningi vele ngamadoda, the origins of imbongi ngamadoda. Yabo, abaningi bathi izinyosi zenkosi and inkosi ngumuntu oyindoda. So taking that space, you know ukuthi kulabantu abahamba phambi kwakho abafana labo babo Albert Nyathi obaba Obeti, you know, it's really tough. So laba sokumele ukubamba into kwakhona. Mina
And you should be good.
Yes, I've been to many events uthi nxa ngifika so kathi sonke mase umfazi. Okay? Kathi mfitshane so. Kathi mncane so.
Yes,
You know,
yes,
because they are used to unxa kuthiwa imbongi kuzothi uchuba bonqindi. I understand.
Yeah, I get you.
But nxa ulenhliziyo encane you'd be like, this is a man's world.
And you already
give
feel
up.
intimidated when you get such comments before performing, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. So now you are an award-winning artist. Let's talk about your awards,
Okay.
nominations and awards.
Awards. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Ukuthi yiwapi? All right. I won Outstanding Female Poet or Poet Mapraka Awards 2021. I also won Outstanding Female Poet Red Carpet Poetry Awards. I also won, the recent one is the Bulawayo Arts Awards, the Outstanding Moyoxide Poetry Award. Then ama nominations. Nganominate ngawin. No, angaze nginominate ngawin but nyake ngi-apply nganominate.
Okay. So we're talking of 3 awards here.
Yeah.
That's good. It shows what you're doing well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the motivation to keep going on, to keeping on.
Okay, nice. So like now tell me, because ngengabala somewhere there was a time when you said you are inspired by Afrikaans. Yeah, I read it somewhere. Unless maybe if they wrote it and you didn't, uthi bawubhala into ongayikhulumanga. But kulala pembale khona. Uthi you mentioned Afrikaans and some South African female poet.
All right.
I've forgotten the name.
Okay, so to clear that one, I think kungaba wrong ukuthi ngithi I am inspired by Afrikaans because the poetry journey yami started before I met her, right? So I think I was wrongly quoted because I appreciate some poets abaqale into leyi kudala, the likes of Afrikaans, Jessica Mbangeni.
Yes.
I'm a fan of
Okay.
those poets.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So nxa usukubeka ngaleyo ndlela, because I was also thinking which okay, you were in grade 5. I didn't want to ask for your age, but engqondweni yami bese ngicalculate ukuthi okay, sike ngabona somewhere ukuthi inspiration comes from Afrikaans. So what's really going on? But I think they're also doing a good job, these ladies.
Yes, they are. And the late Jessica Mbangeni, may her soul rest in peace. She was good.
She was good, isn't
She
it?
was good.
Nice. So now kuma pieces akho.
Okay.
And
Yes.
you are already smiling. Kuma pieces akho.
All right.
You have your favorite, obviously.
Yeah.
It's obvious, huh?
Yes, it's obvious.
Can you give us like a snippet of your favorite piece?
Okay, it will be Uwo Cry because it's the one that has taken me far. Okay, ngiqalisele ngaphi?
The stage is yours.
Okay, ma, aren't you test snippet, which means it's not the entire poem.
It's up to you. You
I'm
can
just
give us
thinking,
the
Uti.
entire. You can give us the full piece, or you can give us a snippet. It's up to you.
All right, mana ngingayenzi the entire piece. Ngenze mbijana phakathi kwayo kwenzela ukuthi bahambe ku YouTube bayayibona yonke iphelele.
Number 1.
And fear gripped by an unfamiliar rage. Being born a female termed a natural crime. Being born a girl is an excuse enough to be divulged by these merciless beasts. Bayazibusa bathi umhlaba ngowabo. Yeyeni badayi nansi singulubi nginonela. Khuza gogo siyavungama isizwe, khuza khokho siyahlasela isilo.
Okay. That was good. Now, whereas into enchazayo queen, it's not only the message, the facial expressions. You became a different person, Kwampa. Like totally different.
Aish, talking about facial expressions, kule enye into eyi-one. Angaze ngithole i-picture from any performance engayenzayo yangichaza. You know, all of the pictures, it's either nyabe
I think we get absorbed, we get apart, like we are getting apart. But that was good. So my pieces are there on YouTube. You've got a YouTube channel.
Yes.
Maybe you can tell the viewers the name of the channel so that they can subscribe, follow.
Okay, it's Sonkomose. S-O Nkomo Se. And when you forget,
Owesindebele.
yebo, uyacabanga isitemo sakosithole. Usonkomose isangelo sakosithole, thina singosithole osonkomose omgabhi ojobi.
Really? I wanted to ask, okay, what does that mean? Oh, isitemo lesi.
Isitemo.
Ah, wow.
So on all social media platforms, I am usonkomose.
Okay. So now I was actually thinking, okay, here I'm dealing with a dancer, and she performs with one of the best dance groups, Kobulawa Konalapa, or in the region, isn't? We know we can't run away from this because it's something that is there. There is a certain stereotype that is there. I know ukuthi vele ama-female artists, they normally get stereotyped. But when it comes to dancers, personally, I think it becomes a bit extreme. Kulama stereotypes that are there are experienced on ama-female dancers.
Yeah. Kunzima.
Mfuna ukuthi indaba leyi wena uyihandla njani, usuyihandle njani? Because kunengi.
Kunengi. It's getting
if you're a female dancer, kunengi.
Yeah. Yeah, sengike ngahlangana lakho. Ukuthi umuntu ekubuza ukuthi uyenzani. No, I'm a performing artist. I do poetry, music and dance. Uyagida. Lokhana kwama dance group. Like angani into engela ngqondo, into engela msebenzi. But it's actually something that defines us as Africans. Because what's an event without dance? Emfeni kuyagidwa, that's dance. Echurch siyagida. Marali siyagida.
Maphathi.
Emchadweni siyagida. Makusiyalotsholwa siyagida. You know. But then I think my advantage is engikugidayo. Maybe abadala abaningi bayakuzwisisa because I'm more into traditional dances. Lesunduza skiti isichikicha, mtatata, inquzu, and abadala bayakukholisa khonoko. But the fact that you always have to explain yourself ukuthi nxa usithi ngiyagida, hayi kodwa nothi lokhana. Yabo. It makes it hard ukuthi la ukukhulume with confidence.
Yeah. But I still think with the traditional type of dancing as well, we are now living in a Christian society mostly, and you find that sometimes, do you know what? Sometimes you have to wear a traditional outfit. Labana abazithi bangamaKristu kudlula thina.
Yes.
Vele bahle bakukhangele ngelinye ilihlo ukuthi ha sugqoka into zamadlozi, sugqoka into zalokho and stuff like that. So now when it comes to dancing as well, have you come across something like that?
Yes. And the fun part of it is ukuthi ngahola mahara.
What?
So I was paid because mina now as Usonkomose, I'm now mixing poetry yami with background. So most of my performances engiwa hire as Usonkomose, it's now Sonkomose and Sunduza. Then sikhulume kahle le client lithi hi, this is what I want. Okay, sharp. Sihambe emshadweni sigqoka ibhethu lethu sesiready lapha kumngenisa umakoti And I had already received the full payment. Baqalisa ukusukuma abadala umalume banyenyeze khanya ukuthi hayi ibhethu mzukulu kulolwana ukholo hayi cha ngcono bami hayi la kanye sama
Just like that.
saqoqa into zethu saqoqa impahla zethu satshintsha sanjani sachaya phansi but sanjani thina sasiholile so it's there
So
siyake sichayisane lakho
it yazi ukuthi sometimes ngicina sengibuza ukuthi okay nxa ukholo lwakho lu intimidatewa libheju isikhumba engisigqokileyo, how strong is your faith? Because already isikhumba engisigqokileyo esingelani lokholo lwami mina ukwazi ukuthi mina ngikholwa ukupha
Exactly.
already isikhumba lesena siya ku intimidate. And you find ukuthi amabheju these days is not even isikhumba ngokwazo. It's some artificial material,
Yeah.
which is not really leather. And someone gets intimidated by that material. So personally, I think it means your faith is actually very weak. Now, moving on, Sonkomos. Last week on Enkundleni Exclusive, we were talking about, if you watched the previous episode, we were talking about collaborations, and we talked about collaboration ka Baba Harare, lama local artists esilawo khona lapha. We actually mentioned three, two dance groups and a local artist. Uthi, this is what is happening. So which collaborations or esingathi uyakwacabanga ukuthi I can work with this person? Talking about the local artists.
okay
Which local artists do you imagine or see yourself performing with?
all right I think okay engaka collaborate lapho unfortunately mina Kades I'm working on a poetry album. So far abantu engibalistileyo akusibantu who have already made it, akusibantu abayaziwayo.
Okay.
I think yibo abantu esengibaconsider so far, but if nxa ngingakhetha one who has made it locally, I think I would love uThandidlana to put a chorus in
Oh
one
my
of
gosh, it's my favorite.
poems.
Yay! I'm Thandidlana.
Yes.
Ah, nice. Lovely.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Thandidlana, she's good. Sorry, Lut. Excellent choice.
Yeah.
Excellent choice. Okay, so in now, what's your take? Because sasikhuluma ngama collaborations ukuthi Baba Harare is based in Harare. It's mostly udume kakhulu the other side of the country, and now he is coming to penetrate the Bulawayo industry.
Yeah.
So now, what's your take on those kind of collaborations?
That's a 10 out of 10 for me because both artists, they benefit on the audience of each other. Baba Harare is benefiting from the audience yamaqaqa. Maqaqa has a wide fan base in Matebelele in South Africa.
Yes.
And coming this side, all the people who follow Amaqaqa now know about Ubaba Harare. And abalandela Ubaba Harare labo ngale, they now know about Amaqaqa.
Wow.
So to me, that's a 10 out of 10 because it's two different genres, two different types of music, vele ezokuthi
Different audiences as
different audiences as well. So I think I'll always support ukuthi ama collaborations anjalo. Yes.
Wow, guys, it's a 10 out of 10. And what I'm loving about Sonkomose, she's actually mentioning something that Leslie talked about last week. If you watched last week's episode, yokuthi kona Baba Harare is penetrating the Bulawayo market, and Amakakalawa, they are penetrating the Hararian market in the other side, Mashonaland region, in market yakonangali. So I think what she's saying the same thing. Which is what it validates the opinion ga Leslie. Now speaking still on our collaborations, and to tell Tandillan. Harare.
Harare. Yikuthi angikwazi ukuthi uWinkidi uhlala ngaphi. But I think
Yeah, kona ngale. I'm talking about the region.
yeah, if poetry meets dance hall, it would be nice.
You know, I can imagine that as well.
Because I know it's possible because I've collaborated with Gagisa, it's Umbaqanga. So poetry has already met Umbaqanga. It has already met R&B with Mrs. K. Poetry has met Kwaito with Mawiza. Poetry has met jazz with Umaluga. Yeah.
Wow.
So now I wish poetry meets dancehall or poetry meets Sungura, something like that.
Okay. Okay. So ama poems akho you perform them like khona ukusho ukuthi ungene studio and perform and post on YouTube stuff like that. What about, have you ever considered writing them down into a book?
A book? No, I've never considered a book. Why? Because I feel like manenga mabuku, and it's not everyone who likes reading. So mina, my idea is to create poetry for the ear.
Okay.
So my focus is on albums, videos.
And my albums are semangai.
Ngekabile album, I only have an EP.
Okay.
I only have an EP. So this year, I'll be releasing my first album.
So is there an event lapho siyabuya khona, you know, and
Yes.
oh wow, okay.
Kuzoba le launch.
Okay. So guys, until izwile ukuthi this year kukhona esikuplanelweyo. So I think you let us know, and we're going to announce, because we normally have this habit of announcing our upcoming events towards the end of the episode.
Oh,
so
okay.
guys, we'll keep you updated on the album launch. Usesithembisile esikwelede.
Vele, I've started making noise on social media.
Oh really?
Yes,
because it's sokuyisikwelede. Vele nxa usukhulumile enkundleni ukuthi kuzaba le album. Sokuyisikwelede. So you now owe us an album. Now, do you have anything to say to the viewers? Because now we're approaching the end of the episode.
Okay.
What is it that you have to say? Any message to abantu ababukeleyo episode lay, or to that girl, that grade 5 girl out there, la yofuna ukuyenza njengawe, ufuna ukulandela ipath yakho?
Okay, I always say, be you. Don't try to be someone else. Be you. Stick to what you believe in, and love what you do. And then the rest will follow. If you do it with love, passion, then surely whatever situation or hlangana layo, you will break through.
Oh, okay. So before we close, Linda Desenkohlu uyibuza. Now, I've seen ama poets when they're performing. Outfits. Yes. Awunjeli. Financially. Because mbona ngiyachaya esikhwameni. So nxa li-charger laphana li-charger li-quote client. Actually umbuzo wami uthi who covers the bill of those outfits? Because ama-outfits lana ngiyabe ngibona ukuthi lapha kuyadura la. So who covers those costs? Is it you, or is it the client, or what? Or kule sponsor what?
For me, I cover my costumes because mina ngibale okay, it depends ngokuthi event enjani anti. Makusemtshadweni kuthiwa ibheju, I know ukuthi ngizagqoka umsisi, it's up to me ukuthi ngigqoke ikhala bani anti. But for an event like Poetry Africa lapha engahamba khona, which was in SA, the theme was somehow we survive. So my set was 15 minutes, and I had to make sure ukuthi presentation yami what I recite and what I wear kuyachayisana. And the money was good. Kwakuvuma ukuthi ngigqoke whatever I want to wear.
Okay.
So at times we charge sihle sikhangele le costume but abakuzwisisa ama clients because they'll be like kambe uzokhuluma kuphela mntanami 3 minutes umbe 5 minutes ucharge imali engaka. But they do not understand ukuthi you put so much effort into costume kubamba izitemo zomuntu because izitemo zomuntu zi-sensitive. Angeke ngifike mina emshadweni wakosibanda ngifike ngithi osibanda omazilankatha because they know ukuthi osibanda ngovodlozi omazilankatha ngoncube.
You can't make that mistake.
You can't make that mistake. So you need time to prepare. So we are not necessarily charging the 5 minutes performance. We are charging the preparation.
Wow, nice. So guys, message be you. Don't try to be someone else. Message from Usonko Mose. Especially osisinyana laba abafuna ukuba abafuna ukungena ku arts industry. If you want to be a performing artist, if you are creating a brand, the message is be you. Do not try to be someone else. Right. Sesifike emaphethelweni episode yethu enkundleni exclusive. And please guys, abakholisileyo because lapha kube lamapiece amabili. Siphiwe ipiece. What was the title?
War Cry.
War Cry. Let's demo that. That's a piece, isn't it?
Yes.
That's a piece from the award-winning Sonko Mose. And please do make sure that you also subscribe to her YouTube channel, Ibizo Sonko Mose. And also, social media. Which platforms?
Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. And my EP is there on online stores.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Spotify?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So there you have it, guys. You can follow. The name is Sonko Mose across all platforms.
Yes.
You can follow and subscribe to Sonko Mose so that you can hear amanye ama pieces allow. And also, we are looking forward to the album Othe Izabakhona this year, but asikaphiwa i-date. Thank you so much for tuning in on Enkundleni Exclusive. Remember, for all types of events planning and management services, get in touch with Deb3 Events using the contacts akhona lapha screen. And also, if you need graphic design services, get in touch with the Okuhle Designs. Usebenzisa futhi ama contacts aphume khona lapha ku screen. My name is Nondudu Zongcube. Please do also follow me on social media, Nondudu Zongcube across all social media platforms. And also subscribe to Enkundleni Exclusive, Deb3 Events, so that you can watch our episodes wonke our Enkundleni Exclusive. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Sibonane njalo kuviki elizayo, same place.
Ozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Yabe sekudwini